Welcome back, everybody. So this is gonna be a quick update video for you guys on DJT Trump Media and Technology Group. So before we get started, please smash that like button, and 150 likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now, if you want to support the channel and get all my daily trade ideas, swing trade ideas, and all kinds of setups, definitely check out that link down below in the description for Patreon. And now let's get right into it. So DJT, just when you think it's done, it's up 15+% on Friday. That is big. Now, let's talk about Trump haters and people that actually didn't want Trump to win this election. First of all, guys, yes, the stock did not run up to a brand new all-time high, nothing crazy, but if you look at from these lows, it was 11.75, and this thing got up to 54, $55. Now that is a big pump right here on the stock, and still from these lows, this thing is up almost 200%. So I don't know what are you complaining about, and especially lots of people that are actually hating on Trump. They didn't want this man back in the office, and now it's just a matter of month or two, he'll be back inside that office again. He'll be running the country, and people that are complaining. I mean, I don't know what you're seeing here on DJT, and especially I think the stock has a bright future. I'm holding my long-term shares, not even panicking here because of this mini drop. I mean, how many times we dropped before and this thing skyrocketed back up again? And not to mention, when you see, some comments, only few out there, guys, and I'm not talking about, these positive comments, negative comments, only few out there like, oh, it's coming down, it's crashing. From these lows, it's still up massively. What are you talking about? How much you want? You want to buy 1,000 shares for 12,000 and get 200,000 immediately? If this is how easy this market is, everyone will be sitting on their ass and making money. That's not how, things work immediately. Just because Trump went back in the office, the worst case scenario for this stock that I was afraid of was Kamala going back in that office and Trump losing it all, and these people coming after him, suing him, putting him behind the bars, and their stock going down and possibly going bankrupt, going to like $2, $3. We don't have that. We have more and more positive catalyst. Now, I also see some comments like, "What about the short squeeze? You don't say anything about that." You need to calm down. It's gonna come, and I know this stock has been shorted many times before, and the shorts they always covered, and this thing got that massive squeeze. Now it's only Friday where this thing got a big bounce. We need more confirmation, guys. And especially with Trump going back into that office, you should be a happy person holding DJT shares, especially if you're long and you're holding strong. Unless you're a gambler, you bought right here, or maybe you bought right here, you chased it, and now it's down. You saw my video, now you bought right here. Now you're blaming me, you're blaming Trump, and just playing that blaming game. And how it didn't go up, I thought it was gonna go to like 300. No, that's just not how things work, right? You gotta wait, and especially when you have big news like this, that Trump winning that election in a big way, and then this man going back into that office. Lots of catalysts yet to come, and it's gonna come for next not only 2 months until he goes back into that office, for next 4 years. So I don't know, what do you guys see right here on DJT? I see a bright future, and who cares about 200? I think it can go even higher. It's just a matter of time, especially as long as this man remains in the office for next 4 years, we will see big pump right here on DJT. Now, like I said, if you're chasing and you bought right here and then you saw my video like, oh yeah, this guy is talking about 150, 200, it can happen. So I bought here, I thought, this is a dip. I always said pullback is coming, do not chase it. And it happened over and over. People chasing and then blaming, on YouTube, or blaming on Trump. And it didn't go up that much. I didn't make money. I lost money. If you're chasing, it doesn't matter if it's DJT or Apple or Tesla, you're going to lose money because you're a chaser. You need to wait for the dip, perfect buying dip, or at least close to that perfect buying dip. And if you bought at the right time, you're going to make money on this stock. And now going into Monday's session, guys, you can see I clearly said in my video just about 3-4 days ago that watch out for 28.88. We came slightly under and then went back up and now trading at almost 32. So DJT, we have this gap on top at 34 and also 34.59, 20-day moving average inclining. So it's a positive slope. If we can clear and stay over, I would say 35 to be exact, over this 20-day moving average, then you're going to see a push up to possibly 40.62. And from there, where we got a rejection, 46 is definitely possible on DJT. So watch out, there might be another big move that is coming. And just when you think it's done, this thing will go right back up. And people that actually sold for loss or maybe sold for small profit, 2 months later, you're crying and chasing it, 80, $90 or maybe even 100. So DJT can definitely make it back up to the upside. And especially with Trump running this country, I think the stock itself definitely will do well, and we're going to see big moves to the upside again. Now on a pullback, you need to watch, especially right here, guys, 28.88. If that gives up, we take out this low down here. Then watch out for 25, right down here, 2409, 50-day moving average, and then 22. I don't think it's going to go much lower, at least for now, because of this lower Bollinger Band going up and it's not going down. So DJT, I think we can touch 46 again. Possibly we will see a breakout at some point over 46, but we need more confirmation on that. Far as tomorrow, watch out for this gap to get filled at 34.13, and over that you will see a big move up to 13-day moving average 36.80, and I think 40 to even 46 possible on DJT. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Let me know your thoughts, positive thoughts, in the comment section, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated here on the stock.